fall, don't fall, don't fall. Stay. Hi guys. Um, so I feel like a lot of people who are watching this video right now are probably gonna be my friends and like people that know me. And yeah, I started a YouTube channel. Can you believe that? You know, this is something that I have been sort of wanting to do for so long.
Like so long.
Like ever since I was a kid, I still remember just telling my mom that, hey, like I'm gonna be a YouTuber and that this is what I want to do. And I think I'm here in the best city in the world, like literally the best city in the world. And I was like, why not? Like, you know, I don't really know what is stopping me, and I'm just like, I'm just gonna do it. And it's been like something that I've been wanting to do for so long. And yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. I recently changed my username on Instagram to that spiritual baddie, and I think that is sort of like one way of putting my personality out there, of sort of telling people, yeah, that's me. Like I totally want to feel like a baddie, that too a spiritual baddie, because why not? I feel like you know, I've just been this person who really likes talking about deep talks in general. Like, you know, like I'm just a very and once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to start a little bit as to why I feel like this is important to me. For a very long time, I've sort of wanted to start posting vlogs and just be myself and put more of myself out there. And you know, as a creator, you always have this block. You are always intimidated by putting yourself out there. Even right now, you can't really see it, but I'm recording here in public. You know, there are so many people just walking past me and, you know, smiling at me, and I think it will take some time to sort of not really let that distract you, and like not really care or be conscious about what people are thinking, what are they going to say. Just be you. That's what I want to prove to myself. This is something. So the main reason why I am starting this is because I want to prove this to myself, that I can be this person, and I want to inspire everyone and show everyone that if I can do it, you can do it as well. And I'm so happy that this is in the making. So 4 months ago, I decided to sort of pack my bag and move to Melbourne. You know, the city has been so nice to me, the people that I've met, everything has been such a learning experience for me. And before I moved to Melbourne, I remember sort of watching so many YouTube videos and seeing how people live there, trying to look at students' vlogs and, like, you know, really try to understand what life is like here. But not gonna lie, I was kind of disappointed, right? There were not a lot of things that I wanted to sort of oh, it's so windy. Anyway, so there were a lot of videos that I watched, and I really couldn't find exactly what I wanted to see. I really wanted to see how students can make use of their uni life, all the things that are available and the things that you can do, things around the city, how to make friends, build a community. That's exactly what I'm doing, right? So my channel is going to be mostly about that itself. I want to be that person who helps the students that are coming really know what life can look like. Because I'm going to try to make it as grand as possible, because as it should be, right? Like, life is meant to be magical. Life is meant to be lived to the fullest. And that's exactly what I want to show you here in Melbourne. And like literally 5 minutes ago, in front of the State Library, I was like dancing, and there was this beautiful person like singing. That's what life is. Like, you got to put yourself out there. Only then you can experience these things. And I want to be that guide for you. So happy that I'm even recording this video right now, because in a way this is also me coming out of my comfort zone, right? Beautiful city, right? Like, look at this. This is how life can look like. This could be you on a random Friday evening and just chilling by Yarra River. So beautiful. So thank you so much, like, for people who believe in me and like are still watching. I really appreciate it. So yeah, as a student, when you move abroad, there are so many questions that you have, so many things that you want to sort of know. What it's like, what is it going to be like, what's the rent like, what's the job going to be like, is it going to be fun, what are all the fun things that you can do in Melbourne. I had all these questions as well, and luckily I didn't find anyone, because I had to go find out for myself. I explored things on my own. I did things on my own. And honestly, I'm so happy that I did, because now I can provide you the guide, the tool, the handbook to live a life like this. Wow, this is so hyped up. I'm so happy that I can be this person, man. Like, there are so many people around me, and I'm still just like gonna do what I gotta do. Moving to a new country can be very overwhelming at start, because you're moving out of your house, you're gonna live with strangers, you're so responsible for yourself. Like, I, for the first time in my life, felt so responsible for my own life, and I think that's what adulting teaches you. This was so important for me, like me moving out of my house to be the person that I am today was so important. Like, you're not gonna believe it, guys. I did not know how to cook before I came here. Now I am the kind of person who meal preps. I've literally like packed my chicken, packed my rice, and packed everything that I need, because I don't want to eat outside, right? I want to be healthy. I'm on my path of health and being in the best health possible, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Living abroad teaches you a lot. I learned how to cook. I learned how to meal prep. I learned how to sort of survive. Obviously there were days where I didn't feel like eating. I didn't feel like cooking at home and eating that. Like, so it does teach you a lot of things, and you're in for a treat. I think these are some very important learnings of life, and I'm so happy that my mom brought me up the way she did. Like, I'm such an OCD person. Like, I'm such a clean freak. Maintaining a tidy environment, it's so important. I'm a very friendly person, guys, and whoever's watching this, if I don't know you, if you stay in Melbourne, come say hi. My Instagram is right here. Just let's be friends, right? There's no harm in doing that. Moving abroad is all about networking. You got to be very smart about it. You got to do it. A little bit about me, right? I feel like I'm the jack of all trades, master of none, because all my life I've done so many things. I've just explored so many versions of myself. Yeah, I think I like a little bit of everything. I don't know if a lot of you know this, but I'm also a certified yoga instructor. I did my teacher training course and my advanced teacher training course from Shivananda Ashram, and it was like the best experience of my life. It changed me. It definitely made me the spiritual baddie that I am. And it was so important, and this is what I want to bring out to the world as well. The things that I experienced, I feel like it's so important for us Gen Zs to experience in this lifetime, because we live in such a stressful world. Like, we're constantly thinking about ourselves, about others, about things that won't even matter in a few years, right? Our mind is sort of like a monkey mind. It's always running, and sometimes it's nice to take a deep breath and just ground yourself, and that's exactly what I want to help you do. I want to, if when I started posting content first, I got a lot of comments like, oh, she's trying to be an influencer, now she's this influencer. Fuck yeah, I am, man. Like, look at me. Here's how I hope to influence you. I hope to influence you in ways that would help you slow down in life, in ways that helps you dream big, in ways where you are limitless. You tune into the endless possibility of the universe. You can be whoever you want to be, and I am going to prove that to you by showing you that this is possible. I'm also very passionate about going to the gym. Like, you can't really see my gains right now, but my vision is to be a jacked yoga instructor. I'm going to show you guys my vision board and take you through that as well, and maybe in another video. Yeah, I think that's good for another video. So there are a lot of things that I put up on my vision board. It was this creator life that I want to live, the food I want to be, how jacked I want to be, yoga instructor, teaching yoga, playing music, writing my book, everything, right? And I can really slowly see it happen in the making. The reason why I made my vision board is because it's right in front of my bed. Every day that I wake up in the morning, that's the first thing that I see, and it sort of reminds me of my purpose. It reminds me of the kind of life that I want to live. Every day when I see that, okay, a jacked yoga instructor is who I want to be, it motivates me to go to the gym. It motivates me to continue my practice. When I see that, okay, I want to be a vlogger, I want to be this content creator, and the days where I feel insecure, like, I'm reminded of my vision board, and this is what I want to do. I have no expectations of my views, of the likes, of whatever is going to happen with this account, I am just going to do the do. There's this beautiful quote from the Bhagavad Gita that I often remember, and it's Shri Krishna telling Arjun, do the do and do not worry about the fruits of the do. If I have to translate it, कर्म करो और कर्म की फल की चिंता मत करो. It means do the action, do what needs to be done, and don't worry about the result. Just give it your best, and that's all that matters. No matter what the outcome is, you're gonna like it because you know you gave your best. And this is the kind of energy that I am taking into posting this, because I know that I actually put in the effort to make this happen, and I'm just happy about that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this far. Like, I really appreciate it, and I hope this is the kind of content that you like. And if you're looking forward to, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so I can like look at it and get all that dopamine from like the notifications. But definitely this is gonna really motivate me and inspire me, and the more reach that I get, the more it sort of motivates me to put more of myself out there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys very soon.